In this Alight Motion tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this seamless split transition which you can use for transiting between images or videos. Without wasting much time, let's open Alight Motion and get started. Here I've already imported the two images that I'm going to be using for this transition, transiting at 1 second mark. You can choose to use a video clip here instead. Group these two layers together. Select the vector drawing tool and draw a shape that goes like this. Once you're through, duplicate the shape layer and flip it horizontally and vertically. I'm going to name this one top, and the other one bottom. Change both colors to about 75% gray. Now select the top layer, tap on Effects, Add Effect, search for Displacement Map and apply it. You might notice that the shapes are overlapping each other. If this happens, go to Edit Points and reshape it appropriately. Temporarily hide the bottom shape layer. We will turn it back on later. At about 10 frames, set a keyframe for offset. Move forward to 1 second right before the second image appears and increase both the X and Y values to 500. Move to the end and return the offset back to 0. Let's add some easing to it. At the first two keyframes, select Ease In, and adjust the curve to something like this, while at the last two keyframes, select Ease Out and drag the curve like this. Go back and copy this effect. We're going to use it for the second shape. Turn back on the bottom shape layer. Go to Effects and paste the effect we copied from the top shape. Move to the middle keyframe of offset and inverse both the X and Y values to -500. You might notice this cut at the edge. To fix this, simply increase the size of the image group a little and it'll cover up the gap. You'll also notice this unwanted sharp edge when it splits. To avoid this, we'll have to mask both shapes inside a group of theirs each. First, duplicate the image group. We're going to need one each for both shapes. Make a duplicate of the bottom shape layer. Delete the effect in the duplicated layer and set its blend mode to mask. Now select this mask, the shape and one of the image and group them together. Do this for the second shape also. And that's it. One smooth, seamless split transition. This is the same technique I used for this stripes and geometric pattern, but for your convenience, I used this simple layout that is less time consuming for explanation. The process is exactly the same except that it contains more shapes, but if you insist I make a tutorial for both, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to leave a like, and if you want more contents like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.